VMware Fusion versus Parallels Gaming. Which is more worth it? In this video, I'll compare VMware Fusion and Parallels for gaming to see which is more worth it. So to get started, Parallels is way more optimized for gaming on Mac. It has better GPU support, smoother performance, and fewer lags. VMware Fusion works, but it's slower and less gamer friendly overall. If you're planning to run Windows only games on Mac, Parallels give you a better experience with less hassle. It also supports things like DirectX and even runs some heavy games decently. VMware Fusion is better for general use or IT setups, but if gaming is your priority, Parallel wins hands down. You'll also find Parallels easier to install and maintain with automatic optimization tools built in. It's clearly made for more than just developers. So if you're serious about playing games, go with Parallels. It's just more tuned for that kind of use. And that is my breakdown of VMware Fusion versus Parallels for gaming.